Díomh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn how to say lift in Irish. Lift, as in a position that is the opposite of right, is chlé. Chlé. Lift has a number of different meanings. Lift has a number of different meanings in English. Those different meanings have different words in Irish. So let's look at two of those words. Lift, as in a position that is the opposite of right, is chlé. Chlé. Lift or on the lift. Chlé. Now let's use that in a sentence. Tá an chokh bwee chlé. The yellow house is to the left. Tá an chokh bwee chlé. Now the other meaning of lift is the past tense of to leave in English. So therefore in Irish you would say Dawg. Dawg, lift. In a sentence that would be Dawg shay an chokh. Dawg shay an chokh. He left the house. Dawg shay an chokh. Do you find Irish spelling difficult to read and pronounce? If you do, why not try Crack Irish Gaelic Pronunciation on Udemy?